everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about our engineering design project, which is obstacle avoiding grass cutting robot with sun tracking solar system. Part 1. Solar Sun Tracking System. This is our sun tracking solar hardware setup. Here we have a solar panel mounted on a frame, and around it we placed 4 LDR sensors. These light dependent sensors help us detect where the sunlight is coming from. To rotate the panel, we use 2 servo motors, one for x-axis, left and right rotation, one for the y-axis, up-down rotation. The LDRs constantly compare the light intensity from the different directions. Whenever there is stronger sunlight from the side, the microcontroller sends a signal to rotate the servos, so the panel always faces the maximum sunlight. By doing this, the solar panel becomes more efficient and generates more energy. The generated solar energy is then stored in the rechargeable battery through the solar charging circuit. Part 2. Obstacle Avoiding Grass Cutting System. The second part of our project is the grass cutting module, which uses obstacle avoiding technology. This part is controlled by an Atmega microcontroller. To detect obstacles, we use ultrasonic sensors to measure distance and 2 IR sensors to detect close objects or edges. When any of these sensors detect an obstacle, they send a signal to the microcontroller. The microcontroller then decides what the action to take, whenever to stop, turn, or change the direction, so the robot avoids the obstacle safely. This allows the grass cutter to operate smoothly without crashing into anything. Grass cutting mechanism. For cutting the grass, we use a DC motor attached to rotating blade. This DC motor spins at high speed, and the blade fixed to the motor shaft cuts the grass as the robot moves forward. The power for this motor also comes from our solar charge battery. This allows the grass cutter operate smoothly, cutting the grass while avoiding obstacles. So that's our combined system, a sun tracking solar panel to maximize energy generation and a smart obstacle avoiding grass cutter for safer, more efficient operation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.